So the last basically category or class of defects that we're going to talk about are bulk or volume defects, so 3D defects. So most of these defects are kind of cracks, foreign inclusions, other phases, pores. What's the difference between a pore and a vacancy? Pores will be millions, if not billions, essentially of atoms and vacancies that aggregate and kind of coalesce. But really the cracks are going to be the critical 3D defect that we're going to talk a lot about in this course. So once we get to fracture, even micro cracks, cracks that are nanometers or microns, those are going to be critically important 3D essentially defects that will again affect essentially your mechanical properties and basically how your material is going to behave. So this is the end of kind of our introduction into kind of mechanical behavior. So these are kind of the really foundational kind of pieces of knowledge. It would be helpful also to kind of brush up on some kinetics and diffusion as well. But those are the kind of the critical things that we are going to be looking at here. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.